start off today by doing one quick, simple mod on the wide body FRS. What this is another LED strip, and we're going to be putting it in the trunk. It's going to be tapped in to the underglow, so whatever color I have the underglow on, it'll be the same as the trunk. You guys know I love to keep the underglow on pure white all the time. I just think that it looks the cleanest and the best on this build. So pretty much all the time, the trunk is going to be completely lit up full white, and it's going to look very, very nice. Super easy to do. This was supplied by, you already know, Lit Lights. Lit Lights sent this over. They sent me a splitter, so all I have to do is unplug one wire, tap into it. It goes from 1 over to 2. That's what a splitter does, little Y. And then a few mounts. And yeah, should be very, very easy to install. So this might be kind of hard to see, but I'm going to be putting it behind this little lip right here, this ledge, so it's hidden. Of course, I don't want to be able to see where the strip is mounted. That'd be kind of ugly. But yeah, let's get after it. I feel like I say that a lot. Let's get after it. Pretty sure every single time I'm editing, I edit out like 20 let's get after it's because I'm always saying let's get after it. Well, that was a very, very simple fix. I have a wire right in the bottom of the trunk that goes to the rear underglow. So all I had to do was just wire into that, and it's super easy. Let's go ahead, turn on the underglow and make sure this works as it should. So I know you guys can't really see because it's so damn bright outside, but there it is off, there it is on. I do plan on taking this car out tonight to do a photo shoot / video shoot with Bobbi. So if I remember, I'll be sure to show you guys. Very simple to install. If you guys want to pick up any LED or lighting accessories, head over to litlights.com. I'll link them down in the description box below, along with the discount codes. All right, so now for the Abandoned Evo project. Wow, we have a complete disaster out here. Guys, look at this. Look at this mess. All these parts that are on the ground right here, I already kind of cleaned up. Those are all ready to go. I will be selling that stuff. I'm kind of bummed out. So when I bought this car, I saw these skirts. These skirts are authentic VAR skirts, and they had carbon fiber underboards, or so I thought. When I was taking them off the car, I noticed it was just vinyl wrap, like fake vinyl, fake carbon fiber vinyl wrap on the underboards, which kind of sucks. Oh well, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna spend the next probably hour or so kind of clean up this disaster we got over here. The only other parts that I'm installing over here are just the intercooler piping and the intake. Everything else is going on my Evo 10. Cleaning the plastic dip off just the bumper alone, bumper and diffuser, took me about an hour and a half. Guys, please do yourself a favor, don't plastic dip your cars. It's such a pain in the butt to get off, especially like in all the jams and the little cracks and crevices. WD-40 helps, but still a pain in the butt. So the only thing we can really do until we start getting motor parts back in, and especially the block, is give the car a bath. I guess I could pull it in the shop and peel a bunch of plasti dip, but I don't really want to do that right now. I would rather just wash the car, and then after it's running, we can pull it in the shop. I'll probably have to tear every single body panel off, like all the doors, the fenders, yeah, a lot of stuff just to get it all cleaned up. That plasti dip is everywhere, guys. All right, we are all finished up cleaning up the Evo. Like I said, there's not much else we can do on that car. until we get some motor parts in. So with that being said, Bobbi has been dying to do a photo shoot with the FRS now that it's done. With this car and her car together, they're both pretty similar, both black, both with bright like neon green / yellow accents and calipers and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go head out. It's a really nice day, wait for sunset and go do a nice photo shoot / video shoot with Bobbi. Why do you have underwear on? Awesome, thank you. So the area that we shoot a lot, that my buddy George showed us a while ago, is in a gated community. And I got through the gate when someone went through and Bobbi was just a little bit too slow and the gate closed. But the sunset is, as predicted, absolutely gorgeous tonight. Car's looking nice and fresh. Bobbi's way down there, you can see her. She came through the exit instead of the entrance. It's just like stuck open. Frickin' dude, you're too damn slow. Why'd you come through the exit?
Because that's the only thing that was open.
All right, send it. You want to just go angled right here? Oof. That's good there. Well, this is the official destination. So damn gorgeous out here. I love stealing George's photo shoot spot. Babe, Bobbi, when she has a camera on, she can't hear what I'm saying apparently. What the frick are you doing? She has to go pee. And that is the funniest sight I've ever seen. Most beautiful, but most funny sight I've ever seen in my life. Just a Bobbi peeing out in the sunset. Oh my gosh. All right, I am going to wear the GoPro and I'm gonna show you guys some sick ass photos we're about to take. So Bobbi wants to shoot a lot of stuff for her Instagram. Hope you guys can hear me fine. I'm talking on a GoPro. What? You need a wipe? With what? Just let it air dry. You're weird. The cops are here. I was kidding. So Bobbi wants me to shoot some photos for her Instagram feed and for her YouTube and whatnot. So yeah, enjoy. All right, my fam, that is it for today's video. Really hope you enjoyed it. The next video you guys are gonna be seeing on the channel is hopefully starting to build the Evo 10 motor. I'll see you guys then.